In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop iPhone from dimming. So if your iPhone backlight or backdrop light is always dimming, you can easily stop this from happening on your device. So typically here, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone screen never to go off. So it's not going to dim again after following this step I'm about to share with you in this video. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is open the settings app on your iPhone. While on the settings page, you want to scroll down and then click on display and brightness. Now once you are on the display and brightness page, scroll down and locate auto lock. Click on that. Now under auto lock, click on never to set your screen auto lock to never, and this is going to make your iPhone screen to never dim, and the iPhone screen will remain until you go ahead and press the side button. So this is the best way to make sure that your iPhone screen never dim or never goes off. So if you want to reduce this time frame, I'll just come back to display and brightness again. I'll make sure you choose auto lock and then select 5 minutes. So you have 5 minutes for your iPhone screen before it goes dim. So this is all you need to do to make sure that your iPhone screen never goes off or stop turning off whenever you are not using it. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.